Here's just a quick rundown of my CNC hot wire cutter. This is part way to my build of a CNC, well, a 3D printer. But I've got a hot wire, so I figured let me make a hot wire cutter quickly. So the wire is kept under tension with a weight at the bottom. That weight is free hanging. The wire goes up there with a connector at the top, just 12 volt on the wire itself. It's attached to the 3D printer's print head with a clothespin and some rubber bands. Not a lot of force needed. Obviously this won't handle the weight that I've got at the bottom, so I've got a counterweight. You can see there's a piece of fishing line going up, bit of a line shortener going all the way up to a pulley system and down again to the counterweight. Now the print head itself is on this cross brace of metal rods with some oilite sleeve bearings. These rods are fixed via an arrangement of fishing line that I've got wrapped around and just tacked on with hot glue. I've got tensioners for all those wires here. The motor itself is just attached to another rod with a drive going to the rod, and that actually goes a couple of turns around the rod over to a return pulley and just straight back to the original pulley rod. The return pulleys are also adjustable to be able to adjust the tension and make sure there's no backlash on that. Same arrangement on the other side. I've got a Raspberry Pi running Octopi on it and a ramps board, and that's about it.